Crazy kitchen hacks to save time, effort. The kitchen gleamed under the bright morning light, its countertops spotless, every utensil in its place. Chef Max stood in the center, tying the knot on his blue apron. His eyes sparkled with excitement today. He was on a mission, not just any mission, but one that would transform his time in the kitchen forever. With a confident stance, he grabbed a garlic bulb, plucking a single clove and attempting to peel it. His fingers fumbled as the delicate skin clung stubbornly. He let out an exaggerated sigh, shaking his hand to rid himself of the tiny bits stuck to his fingers. Then, an idea struck. His eyes widened, and he quickly reached for an empty glass jar. Without hesitation, he tossed the garlic cloves inside, sealed the lid, and shook the jar wildly. The kitchen filled with the rhythmic sound of cloves bouncing against the glass. After a few seconds, he stopped, peered inside, and his jaw dropped in amazement. The cloves lay clean, their skins completely detached. He dumped them onto the cutting board and grinned victoriously, rolling one between his fingers before tossing it into a bowl. Feeling accomplished, he wiped his hands and turned toward the counter, where a rock-solid tub of ice cream sat. He grabbed a spoon, pressing it against the frozen surface, but it didn't budge. He furrowed his brow, applying more force until the spoon bent. He stared at it, unimpressed. Then, with a smirk, he grabbed a sharp knife and cleanly sliced through the entire tub like a cake. The blade glided effortlessly, revealing a perfect round disc of ice cream. He lifted it, placed it between two cookies, and took a bite. His eyes lit up with delight as he chewed happily, marveling at his cleverness. Just as he finished his treat, he spotted an onion waiting on the cutting board. He reached for the knife, ready to chop, but the moment his blade sliced into the onion, his eyes stung. A single tear rolled down his cheek, then another. He blinked rapidly, fanning his face in an attempt to stop the burning sensation. Frustrated, he grabbed the onion and popped it into the freezer. He tapped his fingers on the counter, glancing at the clock. A few minutes later, he retrieved the chilled onion, took a deep breath, and began chopping again. No tears. He blinked in surprise, then nodded, slicing effortlessly with a satisfied grin. Feeling triumphant, he cracked an egg into a bowl, only to freeze mid-motion. A tiny eggshell had fallen in. His shoulders slumped as he tried to scoop it out with a spoon, but it simply slipped away. He huffed, then paused. He dipped his fingertips in water before trying again. This time, the eggshell clung instantly to his fingers. He lifted it effortlessly, holding it up like a rare gem, before giving a firm nod of approval. The final challenge awaited bacon. He laid a few strips onto a sizzling pan, watching as grease splattered everywhere. He yelped, dodging an incoming pop of oil. His excitement turned to annoyance as he reached for a paper towel to wipe his shirt. With a determined expression, he grabbed a microwave-safe rack, carefully placed the bacon strips on it, and covered them with a paper towel. He slid it into the microwave and pressed start. A few moments later, he pulled out crispy, golden brown bacon without a single grease stain in sight. He took a bite, savoring the crunch. With all 5 hacks complete, he stood tall, arms crossed over his chest. The kitchen was clean, his cooking experience transformed. He glanced at his reflection in a nearby pot, smirked, and gave a confident thumbs up. The day's mission? Success.